In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a task from completed back to to-do in your My Work view on Monday.com. Let's get started right from your Monday.com account. First, you'll want to open the My Work area. This is your personal hub, where Monday.com collects tasks assigned to you from different boards and timelines. If you're not already there, look for the My Work option in your main navigation bar and click it. Once it opens, you should see a list of your items, usually grouped by status or time frame, like what's overdue, what's coming up, and what you've already completed. By default, many people focus on what's still active, but to move something back to to-do, we need to look at what's already done. At the top of My Work, find the section or tab labeled Completed, and click on it. This view shows all the tasks you've marked as finished. It's helpful when you realize you've checked something off too early, or you need to reopen a task because requirements have changed. Once you're in the completed section, take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific task you want to bring back into your active work. You can scroll, or if you have a lot of items, use any search or filter options available in My Work to narrow it down by name, board, or date. When you spot the task, look for a way to change its status back to an active state. In this workflow, you'll see an option to move it into the To-Do area. Click on To Do for that task. This essentially tells Monday.com that the item is no longer finished and should appear in your open workload again. After you do this, the task will leave the completed section and return to your main to-do list in My Work, as well as reflect the updated status on the original board it belongs to. If you click To Do by mistake or changed your mind right away, you don't have to manually hunt for it again. Look for an Undo option that appears shortly after you make the change and click Undo. This will revert the task back to its previous state, putting it once again under completed. And that's all there is to it. By using My Work, the completed view, the To-Do option, and Undo when needed, you can quickly correct status changes and keep your personal task list accurate and up to date.